Welcome to all of you. So today we'll discuss about registers. So first we have to know what is a register. So register is a passive electrical component. What is the work of a register? Register limits the flow of the electric current in a circuit. Okay. So first we will know the symbol, how we symbolize a register. This is the basic symbol of a register, and also this symbol also represents a register. Okay, so usually we represent it as R, and the unit for the register is ohm. This is the symbol of ohm. Then in a circuit, how the register is used. Suppose we make a circuit. This one is the voltage source, this one is the current passing through the circuit, and this one is the resistor we connect in the circuit. This one is the voltage. Suppose we give it the 5 volt voltage, and this is the current flowing, which is represented by I. And suppose here the current flowing through this circuit is suppose equal to 10 ampere. Then we need to calculate the value of this resistor. How much will be the resistor value? So how to calculate this one? It follows Ohm's law. So according to Ohm's law, the resistor this one is in ohm, this one is in volt, and this one is in ampere. So our resistor value is 5 by 10, we get 0.5 ohm of resistor. That means in this circuit this resistor value should be 0.5. Okay, then I'll give you one example. Suppose we need to light an LED bulb. Okay, LED, you know, it is light emitting diode which gets lighted when it is connected through a voltage source. Suppose we connect a battery to this. This one is a battery of suppose 9-volt battery. We connect to this LED, and this LED, suppose it needs 30 milliampere of current to glow. Then we need to decide, if we connect this LED to this battery directly, then it might burn out. Then what we need to do? We need to connect a resistor across this circuit so that it will limit the flow of the current through this diode, and it will give it exactly 30 milliampere of current to glow this LED. So here in the positive terminal we will connect the resistor here, and the negative terminal will be connected here. Then we need to calculate the value of the resistor. Then what should be the value of this resistor? We have to find out. Then how to find out? The same following Ohm's law, it will be equals to V by I. So here this one is in milliampere and this one is in volt. So this one is 9 by 0.03. We will get exactly 300 ohm. Okay, so we need a resistor of 300 ohm value to glow this LED in this circuit. So there are so many types of resistors. So resistors are different types: active resistors, passive resistors, and though there are some resistors which depend on the physical quantity of the circuit. So later on we will discuss more about resistor. So for today's video, this much only. So we will just quickly review this one. So the component for today is resistors. So resistor is a passive electrical component. So I will mention here components are two types. One is active component, one is passive components. So in the other videos or upcoming videos, I will be discussing about the active videos and active components and passive components. So what is the work of a resistor? It will limit the flow of the electric current in the circuit. Okay, and resistor is represented as R, and the unit of resistor is ohm, and it is calculated following the Ohm's law, and that is Ohm's law is V by I, that means voltage divided by current. So this one is the circuit. I gave an live example. If we connect a battery to glow the light of a 30 milliampere, then we need the resistor of a 300 ohm. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you have any other doubt, then please comment below. Thank you so much.